Hi, I'm Emily Armstrong from Serene Intuition. I've been using ClinicSense now for the last 2 years, and I enjoy the freedom that it gives me and the freedom with my schedule. I can block off where I need to. I can book in customers. The online portal and online access for my clients has been amazing. I've had nothing but good reviews from my clients with it. Absolutely love this. If you're looking for a way to manage your contacts and manage your clients and get everything done, ClinicSense is it. Have a good day. Bye.